already about social media. It is a big platform for everyone. Nowadays, everyone busy by social media. Not only bad works, but also important works. We have two sides about social media. One thing, one thing is that if we use social media at a time, we also pay attention on the time. So, and the other things, if we use any app, and in this, you don't take a lot of time because in this case, you also waste your time. What's your opinion about social media?
On social media, nowadays social media is important because on social media we gave a many news, and on social media we have a lot of profit. If we have profit, then we have also a loss. But sometimes we have profit on social media. But nowadays social media is important because on social media many people do business,
Yeah.
just like share market and many others type of business they do on social media.
We also carry on the business of a wholesaler by the social media
By the social media
because there's a lot of apps.
just like Shopsy, Myntra, Amazon, Flipkart,
Yeah.
many apps. Yes, I know about it.
So, in your mentality, social media is the best.
Yes, it's bad. It's good because it's depend on us in which way we use this. If we use in bad way, that it's bad. If we use in good way, that's it's good. It's depend on us in which way we use this.
Ask me question about it.
In your opinion, which type of person who use social media?
There's many people who use social media by on self and in what way they want to use. So, okay. Now you ask me.
Means you know that many people's business is depend on social media, and people think that social media is bad, but they don't think that they also make it bad. Because of them, social media is bad. If they use in a good way, that time it is right. Yeah. But so tell me that in your opinion, those people who do business by social media, it is right for them or not?
It is sometimes right for them or sometimes not because in social media if we carried any business in that we can carry business easily because we can transaction very easily by social media because when we use physical money at that time we correct by many people. If we use social media and we maintain our business in that we use only digital money. We use credit card and debit card. There's a lot of cards by finding money. So,
And you know that many people who make reels, means whoever skill that they make reels and videos. In beginning time, people think that that people is mad and he do wrong work, he misuse it, and but after that, when those person who earn money by them, then they think that he do right work, and they also encourage their children that you make yourself just like that. But in beginning time, they told them it is wrong. Don't play with them and don't live with them. In your opinion, means those people what they do, it is right or wrong?
I think it is not right because we don't think that if anyone make reels he is bad. It doesn't matter because when someone in beginning starts something big, in the beginning we faced many problems and we annoyed by many people. There's work for annoying me. So I in my opinion, we ignored everything. Just carry on your things, what you want to do.
Yeah, you are
But in my opinion, we don't use Instagram a lot. We don't invest a lot of time making reels
Yeah.
because we also need study. Study does matter in everyone's life.
But you know that when we use a mobile phone and scrolling reels, then we think that after 1 hour we stopped seeing watching
But
it.
no one
but
do
we
that.
don't know when the time is passed, and we don't. After when 2 hours is passed, then we think that after 5 minutes we leave it. But how can it doesn't matter? Means we passed 3 or 4 hours while scrolling reels.
It's depend on you. I also used and I also scroll.
Yeah, I also
scrolling,
use it, but I saw
reels.
many people who told his parents that after 5 minutes I leave mobile phone. But when you saw them after 1 hour, they also operated.
Yeah. Also, my sister, she is too big now, and she also use phone. She need a phone every time while eating, while playing, and she fond of dancing. That's why she watch reels of dance.
You know that those people who make mobile phone and those people who make means these apps, they make it for that because those people who live for, they make it for close for means getting closed. But now because of it, people go far from his family and from his
Yeah.
friends.
Yeah.
So I think that it is not right because people misuse it.
Yeah.
Means it is a make only for our entertainment.
I think science invented many things.
Yeah.
All are good for us, but it's depend on us. How can we use it?
Yeah.
So it's all things benefit for us.
You want to
I
ask?
think. Yeah, I want to ask. I saw many people who said that if they study on YouTube and other apps, then they can't find good way
Means
because they misguide their way.
no, it is not happening with all people.
I heard this thing many
But
times.
I also study by YouTube. But there's a lot of platforms. Means those teacher teach you very well, and I think every teacher gave his best, and it is depend on you which teacher means which teacher you understand properly. So if you don't like any teacher means you choose any other teacher. There's a lot of teachers and also a lot of platforms.
But I think that if we study at phone and at that time if someone's message then we seen
Yeah,
after
we
that
understand,
after
yes.
that we thought that
So-
1 minute only I saw
When
status also
our
many
5 minutes
things.
passed, we don't know.
Yeah.
And
Keep on our work on Instagram, on
but after
WhatsApp.
1 hour means when we study after 1 hour, we think that now I do my study at least 1 hour,
Yeah.
so it's enough for me. But we don't add that time when we use mobile phone. So means it is a lack of concentration. It's
That's
because
right.
of happening.
It is
It is
big thing for
also
us.
happening with me when
Also with
I
me. I think everyone's
Yeah.
with everyone's happened.
not everyone. So some people are a lot of concentration.
When we have phone at that time, this thing happened a lot.
Yeah. So you want to ask another question?
I want to ask and else. Okay. In your opinion, in the past time, people don't know how is going on the world and what's good in food, any other things they don't know about it very
You
well.
know that
But
past time.
now generation is gone ahead a lot.
You know that past.
Just like
Okay, you complete person.
in my opinion, past time is good and now generation is good. In your opinion, what is good?
Means I think that now technology is increased, and you know that technology is made only for means our relief, but we misuse it. But in past time, people means they don't know. They know what is going on in world because of newspapers
but not so much.
But,
Just like now time.
Nowadays they don't know, but they know about it. Means not a lot, but something they know about it. But now people use old pupils and a small child. They also operate a mobile phone. Everyone have a mobile phone. Then they use it. Means if you give a mobile phone to a children, then if when you said to him now time is up and you gave me mobile phone, then he cried a lot of, and he said and now just I take it. Why are you snatching it?
Because what people who don't know about it very well, like children,
Yeah.
so they addict with phone a lot.
And you know that now parents they think that if my child is busy on mobile phone, then I do my work. But they don't know that if it's a good way that in a mobile phone there's a lot of videos for children. So while that video they learn a lot of things. But if they are not paying attention on their children, then they watch anything. They don't think that this is right or wrong.
Then a baby cried out. Then her mother gave her phone for watching watching many reels because they want to work.
Yeah.
Because household work.
Because in my home, my aunt's child, he is now at least 4 years old, and he scrolled reels a lot of. When means his mother daily take a recharge means of 21 rupees daily per day because of him. Because when he eat food, then that time he demand for mobile phone, and his mother is not so much educated. Then she gave them for, and when he cried, then she think that if he cried a lot of, then my child is become ill. So that's
It
why.
doesn't matter mother is educated or not.
But
Because every baby addict with phone.
Yeah, but if anyone is educated, means not all, but if they are capable and if they are sensible, that this is good for my child, but a short time, not a long time. That time it is good. But if they think that when my child is crying at that time they give him, it is not good.
Yeah, it is not good. Some tell me about social media.
Social media is important for everyone because if you want to study, then you don't know about that topic, then you search in social media. So that's why social media is important. In your opinion, if if any person want to famous on social media, so it's right or wrong?
But in social media, they want to famous because they think I earn money from social media. So that's why they uploaded their reels on social media. But in my opinion,
If they that time they study, then he get a then that person get a job after study, then that time don't need for making reels.
yeah, but some people get job. After that, they also make a reel on social media. Many apps.
But they only for entertainment,
Yeah.
not all time.
So now you tell Divya said a child who operate mobile a lot of, but mobile's harmful radiation is also affect their eyes. So this is, and they lost their eyes, and
this is right or wrong because their parents give him mobile for long time.
It's wrong because our means his parents give him mobile because of study and sometime operate mobile, not a long time.
But I don't say for whose children do study. I tell, yeah, they also lost their eyes, and
If they use a lot of time,
yeah.
then your eyes is also lost.
But a baby at least 5 years, their parents also give him mobile for scrolling the videos for a long time. So it's also harmful their eyes for its radiance because many children I saw many children watch videos very near to his eyes. So it's also harmful their eyes.
Yeah, it's wrong for this. I saw a news of a girl. She at least 18-year-old, and that time his mobile is connected with a charger, and that time she playing a game on mobile. That time she don't pay attention on that, and after some time ago her mobile is become heat, and her mobile is blasting, and her face and also a hand for mobile. So it's harmful for then why you operate the mobile long time. And if you know that mobile is harmful, then why you operate mobile long time?
But mostly people think that for their entertainment, they think I entertain to operate mobile. So that's why. But in my opinion, this is wrong. Mostly people their phone connect to charger after that, and their phone also heated. So in mostly reads this they about that when we use our mobile, then we don't connect it to charger directly. Then we don't connect it our phone to charge it. After that, our mobile is getting cool. After that, we connect it.
In your opinion, social media is important or not?
Everything is important. Also, mobile phone and everything.
Yeah.
Okay. Everything is important for us, according to me. Unlimited everything is harmful for us. So, in your opinion, you use social media or not?
Yeah, I also use
You use much or a bit?
a bit time.
Means you give me example which apps you use.
I use only Google and YouTube for study.
You don't use social media for your entertainment.
Yeah, I use, but not a long time, only for a bit time.
How much time?
At least half an hour.
Only half an hour.
Yeah.
Oh, you are very good girl. Okay, so you want to ask something? No, you ask. Means nowadays girls want, but comparison to boys. Boys wants a mobile phone much than girls. Then how it's happening with our society? Means you saw every boy means they after 10th class mostly boys their parents when they pass then their parents said to them, if you pass then I'll give you a mobile phone, and they do it. they also give them. But when they give them mobile phone, and after that they don't saw their condition. What is this their condition? And also it is happening with girls. Means not a lot of parents, but much parents said to their daughters that if you passed 10th class, then after that I will give you a mobile phone. But I also studying in 12th class. I have no mobile phone.
Means in sometimes mostly people you said that mostly father or parents said that if you passed 10th class then I gave you a smartphone. But if someone get 80% in 10th, after getting a phone his percent is low in 12th.
Yeah.
But some people thought that the course of 10th is easy, that's why.
Means you know that just here. You know that children satisfied himself that if his percentage is down, then they satisfied himself that why my percentage is down. They said to himself that the course is so high and I am not covered it properly, and my teacher is not teach me properly. He is not focus on
Means
me.
every student don't thought this type of thought.
But you know many students think about it.
You take these words on you, then what you think about it?
Means if I am getting low marks in my 12th, then
I only suppose.
Yeah, I
take it hard.
I only suppose. Then I also blame myself and also blame my teachers.
I don't blame my teachers because they
You don't know their that
don't give me
condition.
a chance to speak.
Okay, you speak.
Means if it's happened with me, then I don't blame my teachers. I find my mistakes. Like when I passed 10th, at that time I realized that my percentage is not too much good. Means it's better but
Yeah.
not much good. That's why I find some properties of bad in myself,
But,
which is wrong with me.
Yeah, but because of you getting better marks, and but you don't saw their pupils. I also gave their example who get means at least 70% marks, because of in my street in a means nowadays when the result is going up, then they means a girl is passed by 58%. And she said, when I asked her to him, then she said to me that my teacher means my class teacher and the all teachers are not focusing on me. They don't teach properly. And then I said to him, then you are also not study properly. But my mother is called me that don't speak about anyone.
According to me, this is a fashion of nowadays. If someone get a low marks, then their parents also blames teachers.
Yeah.
They don't find mistake on their child. They thought if the teacher teach properly, then my child get a good marks. Means I saw many pupils who send their children in a private school, and they spend a whole day in their schools and also join a coachings, and they thought that if their children marks is low, then they thought that it's not responsibility of school, it's a responsibility of coaching teachers.
Yeah, they blame it.
Yeah,
They blame them.
according to you, it is right or wrong?
It is not right, because it is depend on your child how means in same coaching. If a student get 90 plus marks and your child is get means lower marks, your child is get lower marks, then it is the mistake of your child. Means how can that child get 90 plus marks? Means they don't saw that there's a fault of his own child. But they also blame the teacher, and they said that you are not paying attention on my child, you pay attention on his child. Means
They spend a lot of money in schools, but they thought that if I spend money in coachings, means they send school for mostly 6 and 7 hours, but they send coaching only for 1 hour, and they thought that in 1 hour they means a teacher teach everything.
Yeah, and you know that means when a child study in 9th to 12th class, then every child needs a motivation. If he collect himself or any others,
According
it doesn't
to me-
matter. Means everyone need motivation.
Yeah, everyone need, but you understand these things. If everyone learned by a motivational videos, then no one is bad in our country.
You know, I also said that if he is collect if in himself or any other videos, means many children collect the courage of himself. They don't watch any other's video, and they encourage him. If I do this, then the condition of my family
If
is
you
also
want to make a good person, then we make by ourselves.
yeah.
Not by any motivational video. And our society means many people said that if somebody's parents is good and their society is good, and I also said many times if somebody's society is good, then that person is also good. According to me, this is so, but not all cases.
Yeah.
Many times if we want to make a good person and our area is very bad,
It doesn't
it
matter.
doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in many times our topic is social media. So we divert from our topic. So in social media, which app is much helpful for study?
I think that YouTube and Google is much helpful for study, because of on YouTube we saw a lot of channels, and on Google we search anything which we need. So these apps are much useful for children for studying and also for other activities. Means when I live at my grandmother's home, then I learn their crafting. My mother means
I also love crafting.
my mother said to me, you live there and there's a teacher who teach crafting, and she teach me crafting, but I am not understand their teaching, because there's a lot of students whom she teach.
According to me, crafting is not a subject which we teach anyone. According to me, if we want to craft anything, then it's come in our mind.
Yeah, but I learned there how to make flowers and how to make a lot of designs dolls, and I also learned about it, and I know that how to make it. But when I go in first day, then I think that there's a lot of children, and how can I learn properly, and on learning that thing, my mother spent there a lot of money. Means because of the items of crafting is so expensive. And when I come back to my home, then my father told me that your mother is waste is money. You learn by it mobile phone. Everything you learn by it. Then my mother means after 7th class vacation, lockdown is start, and my mother told me that you learn stitching, and she said to me, I know a teacher who teach very well. Then I told him there's no use to learn by any teachers. I learned by it mobile phone, and I learned a lot of things while stitching.
I also learned many things like cooking. When
I cooked a lot of things, means different things.
yeah, you carry on what you want to say. I don't want to be means many times we thought that if somewhere has if someone's coaching a lot of rush, then we their teacher is very good. I hear these things by many students in our school also, but I don't trust on any type of rush. Means a student said that those teacher teaches very well, because there's a lot of student go and learning there. According to you, this point is right or wrong?
I think that this is wrong. Where a crowd is collect, we don't say that those person is good, and that teacher teaches well. If means it is depend on us from whom teacher we understand properly anything. And you know about a teacher who don't like a lot of crowd, and we also study by them. And he teaches very well, but you as well as you saw a lot of teachers who said that there's a lot of child come at my coaching and I teach him very well, but I am not understand means what they
It
teach.
depends on students. If they understand in very well crowd, then it's good for
Yeah.
them. But I don't understand in any type of crowd. Means when you want to go anywhere, but your parents don't allow. Means they said now you stay at your home. Now we don't allow you to go outside to visiting. That time, what you do by the help of social media?
Means first I take information of that place, means where I want to visit. Then after that I told my parents that there's a benefit of to visit there, and you also watch that place videos, and this place is so beautiful. And after that
Give your permission and also money for visiting anywhere, because it's a time to enjoy your life, and it's also time for making our life. So if I want then I use a Google Map. First I collect the photos from it, because it's collecting a lot of photos by this, and after I use Google, and I have a lot of knowledge about it. Means I never went in safari park from some days, but I have an opportunity before some month. Then I went. Then I thought that I also watch in our social media, means maps and about their areas.
but I never go alone anywhere.
I
Means
also don't go
when
anywhere.
I visit a lot of place, but there I go with my parents and with any member of my family. I also go in many holy places, and in many places which are famous in our India. Yeah.
And in phone, which shopping app you like?
I like Amazon.
Amazon. Yeah, it's I rated high quality app according to me.
And also highlighted.
Yeah. And the second one is Flipkart.
Yeah. Also,
According to me, Meesho and Shopee
there's a lot of fraud.
Yeah.
Means people do a lot of fraud on Meesho and Shopee. Because I also watch in videos. If anyone ordered any product, then they receive other product, and many times they receive means in beside my home. My brother is live, and they ordered 3 kurtis for his daughter, and they get it torn. When they receive that time, it is torn, and when they check to means to when they called the man who delivered it, then the man is said that it is not my responsibility. It is the responsibility of that person who packed it. It is not my responsibility, and I am not a change it. They don't return. They don't take it return.
Means many times we ordered anything from Zomato and Swiggy and many apps. Swiggy, yeah, Swiggy. Means you understand my feeling.
Yeah.
Then we ordered, and many times our means anyone's order is late. At that time we thought that I gave punishment to it. Means it is wrong.
Yeah. Many
What
times
okay, you said.
many many times you saw because there's a policy that within 30 minutes they deliver food. And but if if the man who delivered the food he is become late from while any issue means many issue is creating on a road. So if those people who order the food then they think that his policy that if he is getting late then they give me free food and they also take it free and but you know that the payment of that food is cutted by the salary of that person.
You know one thing nowadays, everyone find a bride or grooms on social media. So which type of product they get?
Many times they get a good product and many times they get bad product.
Means you saw any marriage days happen by social media? No, I am not. I also watch a lot of marriages.
But I watch it on videos.
Means I don't know they get it a good product or not. But yes, so that's why I ask you. And many times we thought that if something in cheap prices, then we bought via social media.
Yeah.
So it's so. It is